It was a beautiful day in the Adirondack Mountains for a group of researchers, naturalists, and citizen scientists to join in the annual Bioblitz at the SUNY ESF Adirondack Interpretive Center in Newcomb, New York. A Bioblitz is a group effort to discover and identify all of the plants, animals, fungi, and other species at a certain location within 24 hours.
Well, this is an annual Bioblitz that's put on by the Adirondack All-Taxa Biodiversity Inventory.
The monitoring and inventory of biodiversity in the Adirondack Park was a task that simply couldn't be performed by scientists alone. And a couple of reasons for that. One is that there's 6 million acres of park, and there's no way that with the small number of professionals we can get out and cover the ground.
We invite all the area naturalists, scientists, researchers, and the general public. And this is one of those events, and this year we're focusing on pollinators and biotic interactions.
Pollinators like bees. Hundreds of bee species are being collected and prepped for research. Pollinators are important to agriculture, biodiversity, and of course, home gardens.
Well, there's butterflies. The monarch butterfly is one of the most characteristic. And if you look around here today, you'll see a lot of white admiral butterflies. A lot of the butterflies, birds can be pollinators, other insects, flies, beetles.
This group is headed out on the trail in search of dragonflies, one of many biotic interactions being studied. It's the kind of search that requires getting off the beaten path.
It's the concept of the Adirondack Park itself, this idea that it's a working, living landscape where people are integrated with the management of the protected area. We use that as a vehicle for education from the scientists out into the community, but also vice versa, where people in the community are helping us to understand the system that we're working with.
The mission of the ATBI is to survey the diversity of life and connect people to natural communities through participation in biological inventories in the Adirondack Park of New York State.